Hey, boys and girls from Sec 3 Honor. This is your chemistry teacher, Mr. Mohammed. Hope you're all doing well and enjoying the holidays at the same time spending time for studies using your learning device, iPad. Right, in this video, I have briefly explained the new chapter from your chemistry textbook, chapter number 11, Acids and Bases. Okay, so you will learn the basic ideas about acids in this video. In general, acids are broadly classified into two categories. One is organic acids, another is mineral acids. The naturally occurring acids are known as organic acids, right? Naturally occurring acids are known as organic acids. These acids are found in citrus fruits, right? The best examples for citrus fruits are oranges, limes, and lemons. Okay, and these acids taste sour. Now, the another category is mineral acids. Mineral acid, right? So these acids are man-made. Man-made acids are known as mineral acids. Now, you would have already known these formulae: HCl, HNO3, H2SO4, CH3, COOH, right? Quickly recall the names for these acids. HCl, it's known as hydrochloric acid. HNO3, the name of this acid is nitric acid. H2SO4, the name of this acid is sulfuric acid. CH3COOH is named as ethanoic acid. I have told you many times in the class to memorize the names of these acids with their formula, right? So I repeat: HCl, hydrochloric acid; HNO3, nitric acid; H2SO4, sulfuric acid; and CH3COOH is ethanoic acid. That's vinegar, chuka, that you use as food preservative, right? Chuka is ethanoic acid. The formula for chuka is CH3COOH. Now, what happens when we dissolve these acids, the man-made mineral acids? When we dissolve in water, they produce ions. Okay, when we dissolve these acids, they produce ions. Right, see, you can see the picture. Ions produced in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution is something when you dissolve some substance and it becomes ions. Okay, aqueous solution. So ions produced in aqueous solution, when you dissolve these acids like hydrochloric acid, when you dissolve this, it becomes H plus and Cl minus. When we dissolve H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, it becomes 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. Okay, so when you dissolve nitric acid, it becomes H plus and NO3 minus, right? Let me write the symbol for nitrate. Okay, there is, it's missing, minus, NO3 minus. Then ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, when we dissolve this, it becomes H plus and CH3COO minus, right? Now, what is the common thing that you notice in these acids? H plus, right? That's why I have highlighted H plus. It's because of these H plus, these substances are called as acids, right? It's because of these substances, it's because of these H plus ions, these substances are called as acid. So when we dissolve these substances, the hydrogen ions that are produced are responsible for the properties of acids. So the H plus in HCl, the 2H plus in H2SO4, the H plus in HNO3, and the H plus in CH3COOH are all responsible for the properties of acids. Okay, so because of these H plus ions, these substances are known as acids. I repeat, the hydrogen ions that are produced are responsible for the properties of acids, right? With the help of these discussion, we can give the definition for an acid. This is one mark question I have seen many times in the past year paper in IGCSE exams. Okay, so what are acids? So what are acids? An acid is a substance, or acids are substances that produces hydrogen ions H plus in aqueous solution. I repeat, what is an acid? An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions H plus in aqueous solution. It's one more question here. Please try to memorize. An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions H plus in aqueous solution. Right. Now quickly you should note down one thing, that all acids contain hydrogens, but not all compounds that contain hydrogen are acids. Okay, you should make it very clear. Substances that contains hydrogen should not be acid. Okay, but in an acid there should be hydrogen. Clear? So all acids contain hydrogen, but not all compounds that contain hydrogen are acids. Example, ammonia. The formula for ammonia you should be knowing, NH3. The formula for methane, it's a gas, is CH4. If you notice, in ammonia there is H3, in methane there is H4. These compounds NH3 and CH4 contains hydrogen, but they are not acids because they do not produce hydrogen ions in water. Is that clear? I repeat, all acids contain hydrogen, but not all compounds that contain hydrogen are acids. I will further explain this concept in detail with other examples and its properties in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you for listening.